Hello and welcome to Linux Unix Single User System video tutorial. Today we will be exploring the different ways to administer YaST within the Linux system. Our learning outcomes are knowing YaST, knowing user interface of YaST, perform multiple YaST operations, knowing YaST commands, and different ways to use the help resources. Knowing YaST user interface. YaST is the most powerful installation and system management tool in Linux environment. There are three types of user interface mode in YaST, but the two mostly used YaST are text mode, which can be controlled exclusively with the keyboard, and fully graphical mode, which can be controlled intuitively with the mouse. In particular of knowing YaST, the appearance of the user interface depends on which command you use to start YaST, and they all perform the same duties. For instance, in YaST, you will be able to manage almost everything you need in Linux. You can install and remove software, set up your printer, configure the firewall, enable and disable system services, configure network sharing, and many more. YaST is your one-stop shop for all your Linux configuration needs. In addition, in knowing YaST, let's take a look at some of the mostly used YaST commands. YaST-H is to get help. YaST with the module name will start individual modules. YaST-I with the package name will install packages. YaST-remove and the package.rpm will remove install packages. YaST with the module name help will obtain specify help. YaST-curses will run YaST in text mode. YaST-GTK will run YaST in the graphical mode. YaST-QT will run YaST in Qt graphical mode. Open up your terminal and let's perform some YaST operations by switching to root in your command line. To accomplish this, use your su command, su-command, and enter your password. You may notice the color of your command line has been changed. Enter YaST and press enter. When you do that, you will notice that a YaST window is open. Press the tab key and the arrow keys to move from one text to the other. Note by pressing the spacebar or the enter key will select the highlighted item. Use the up and down arrow keys to move from one item to another. When finished navigating through, select quit and press enter to exit. Additionally, type YaST2 and press enter. A window will open, and likewise you can navigate through this by using the arrow keys and the tab keys and the mouse. Each one of them will work. When you finish, simply press the close button to exit. You may also note that YaST can also be accessed by selecting the computer, then select YaST and enter your password. And as you may notice, it's exactly the same as the YaST command we use in the command line. To close, simply just press the close button. Now enter YaST-QT, as this will run the Qt graphical mode of YaST. You can also navigate through this by using the tab key, the up and down arrow keys, and the mouse. To simply exit, click the close window. Lastly, click on computer, then click on Firefox to see if you can access the internet. As you may notice, we cannot access the internet. The internet is not working, so open up your terminal and switch user. Before doing that, close the internet window. Open up your terminal again and switch user and enter YaST. And let's see if we can configure the internet to work properly. Click on network devices, then click on settings, network settings. Oops, we have an error message. Before moving further, read the error message, as they are our best friends in troubleshooting. Select OK. Make sure everything is in the right order and select OK. As you can see, our error message said we're using control with network manager. So if we can simply select traditional method with IFR, which will enable us to use our IP or bridge to our IP. Make sure traditional is checked and click OK. Now click on computer, click on Firefox and see if we can access the internet. Now you can access the internet. When you finish browsing through, simply close using the close window button. Exit through your terminal by clicking the close window and shut down your computer. Finally, these are some of the helpful ways in finding help: the man pages, release notes, and the internet. In conclusion, we are able to get around in YaST, knowing YaST user interface, perform multiple YaST operations, knowing YaST commands, and using help resources. Thank you for taking this time to watch this video.